All right, so how do you know if a brand new network is actually working? Well, today we're going to dig into the Vola Network's closed testnet. And get this, it's only been live for 10 days and it's already putting up some seriously impressive numbers. We're talking about a super promising start here. And you know, this quote from the dev team really just nails the whole vibe. You can feel the confidence, right? The excitement is palpable. And the best part, the data we're about to look at totally backs them up.
Okay, let's not waste any time. We're jumping right into the big numbers, the ones that really tell the story of this launch. This is the verdict, straight up. First up, check this out. Over 146,500 blocks minted in just 10 days. That's a lot, and it tells us something really important. This network isn't just, sputtering to life. No, it's buzzing with activity. It's stable, it's consistent right out of the gate.
And it's not just minting empty blocks. The network chewed through over 16,500 transactions. Now, a huge chunk of those came from really hammering the Nuvola Drive integration. That's a key piece of their whole ecosystem. So what happened? It worked flawlessly. This proves it can handle real-world stuff like file storage without breaking a sweat.
Okay, so those are the headline stats, but what does the network actually look like under the hood? Let's zoom in a bit and check out a few other key metrics that give us a sense of its scale and what it's capable of right now.
All right, here's a quick snapshot of the network's foundation. We've got 48 active wallets, which is awesome early engagement. Then you've got 5 active storage nodes. Think of these as the computers forming the backbone of the whole thing, and they're already providing 900 gigs of capacity. And people are using it. Over 4,300 files are already stored. I mean, for a closed testnet that's barely 10 days old, that's a seriously strong, robust start.
But, a really successful testnet isn't just about patting yourself on the back for the wins. It's also about being super transparent, right? It's about finding the little things that need tweaking and having a solid plan to fix them.
So on one hand, you've got the core stuff performing exactly as it should. No major issues. That's a huge win. But on the other hand, they found some minor bugs with the Testnet Explorer. That's just the tool you use to see what's happening on the network. And honestly, this is actually great news. That's literally the whole point of a testnet. You want to find and squash these little bugs now, so the final version is rock solid.
And this commitment to ongoing improvement, that's huge. When you're building something this important, this kind of step-by-step, methodical approach is exactly what builds trust and confidence in the project. So, you've got a successful launch, you've got a clear plan for making things even better. That's how you build some real momentum. So, the big question is, what's coming up next?
Well, in the short term, we can look forward to an updated Explorer interface. It's going to have more metrics, a cleaner design, the whole shebang. And that shows they're not just focused on the deep tech stuff, but also on making it easy and transparent for everyone to use.
And guess what? People are noticing. This kind of solid technical performance doesn't go unnoticed. The project's starting to attract some real buzz from other teams and even potential enterprise partners. They're all starting to look at Vola and think, how could this work for us?
And that right there is what you call a positive feedback loop. The hard work creates a great product, the great product gets people interested, and that interest fuels the team's confidence to keep pushing. It's just a classic sign of a really healthy, growing project.
So look, the first 10 days proved one crucial thing. The tech works, and it works really, really well. So with a foundation this strong and this kind of momentum building, it leaves you with one big question, doesn't it? What kind of impact could Vola actually have on the entire industry?